Carlos, meron po tayo makakausap. Inaayos lang po yung linya ng komunikasyon. Ang makakausap po natin ay mentor po ito eh. Mentor ni Carlos Yulo. Pinasalamatan po siya, sabi niya. Kasi nung unang interview, sabi niya, maraming salamat kay Ma'am Cynthia. Akala ko yung si Ma'am Cynthia Villar. Hindi pala. Hindi pala. Si Yusek Cynthia Carion. Yun. Siya po ang presidente ng Gymnastic Association of the Philippines at former Tourism Undersecretary Cynthia Carion. Yun. Okay na ba si Yusek? Andiyan na ba siya? Okay, nasa linya na po natin ang presidente po ng Gymnastics Association of the Philippines, Yusek Cynthia Carion. Ma'am Cynthia, magandang araw. Yusek.
Magandang araw. Si Dennis ba ito?
Dennis po.
Dennis?
Dennis po.
Oh, good morning, Dennis. Thank you for making me your guest today.
Yan. Thank you for accepting the call. I know you're a very busy woman, ma'am.
Ay, sus. Horribly busy. Pero I have not slept for so many days and I haven't received yung mga texts ko. Hindi ko nag-open pa. Marami.
Oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga, ma'am, dito sa producer namin, sabi ko, yan ba si Cynthia, Ma'am Cynthia Carion, marunong mag-Tagalog? Baka mahirapan ako, dumugo yung ilong ko. Yung pala, marunong kayo mag-Tagalog, Yusek.
Of course, pero pangit ang Tagalog ko. Hindi maganda.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Wag po kayong mag-alala. Hindi rin good looking yung aking English. Okay. Unahin ko lang po muna ito. Ano ho siguro muna yung sekreto? Bakit ho nakakuha ng 2 medalya itong si Carlos Yulo?
Ay, mahirap. It's 16 years in the making, Dennis. And it's not overnight. You know, I spotted him when he was 7 years old, and
Wow.
I told him wala pa siyang coach. Nagsabi ko na that he will join the Batang Pinoy, 12 years and under. Nag-join siya, walang coach, nanalo siya ng medalya. Ay, nagsabi ko, magaling ito. O sige, nagbigay ko coach sa kanya.
Oo.
At nagsabi ko, you join yung paralong pambansa. And then,
So parang 7 years old pa lang, Yusek, nakitaan nyo na. Kumbaga, alam nyo na magiging champion ito pagdating ng panahon, Ma'am Cynthia. Ganon.
Oo, kasi ang commitment niya, every time I look at him, he is tumbling and working and without a coach, he's copying mga gymnast lang.
Oh.
Ang magaling siya, I saw his commitment. So, sa parang pambansa, nanalo na naman ang mga medalya. So I decided, and at that time, merong bisita ako ng yung Japanese coach, Munihiro Kigujima.
Okay.
He was visiting the Philippines.
Okay.
With another athlete. Nagsabi ko sa kanya, can you please coach Carlos because Carlos is good and he can be a champion someday. And then he said, oh yeah. So he stayed over and he was coaching Carlos and he realized that Carlos is good. So he told me, Mom, can I bring Carlos to the junior lang, 18 years and under, world championship.
So he saw what you saw, Miss Cynthia?
Oo. And then nagsabi ko naman, ay, maging kulelat naman kami dyan. And then he said, he needs exposure. Never mind if he's kulelat. And so we went, nagpunta kami. Do you know that he won 3rd place? China, Russia, Philippines. Bronze medal. Kaagad. And then I said, oh, this is terrible. It is too much. And then the president of the technical committee of federation came to me and said, Cynthia, you take care of that boy. Because if he did well in the pommel horse, he would have won a silver medal, not a bronze medal. Ay, naku. Sige, I said.
Wow.
And then it happened also that my coach was going back to Japan because he wanted to take schooling to be a better coach. I have enrolled in a coaching course. He said, in Japan, I have to go. I said, you cannot leave, Carlos. I said, you cannot. But I have to, Mom. Also, what I decided is I begged for money for me to be able to send Carlos to Japan with Coach Mooney. So he will continue his training. It was not a hard thing, but I finally, Manny Pangilinan finally answered my call although I tried everybody, ayaw sila kasi, ay, gymnastics,
Oo.
mananalo kami dyan.
Oo, oo, oo.
So, si MVP nakita yung vision ko,
Oo.
nagbigay sa pera sa akin, sa MVP ang hero ko eh.
Oo.
And then, so I was able to bring Carlos to Tokyo and he
Oo.
was training there. And do you know that I would visit him once in a while to see that he's studying well, that he's doing well. I followed up whatever he said. How many times he wanted to quit na. Gusto siya na uwi sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Ayaw na.
Oo.
Pero sabi ko, no,
What did you
Carlos,
tell
you
him?
went.
Oo.
Yeah, you motivated him. And he said, no, Carlos, you're going to be someday an Olympic champion. So let's continue this, And so it happened. My
So he was
wishes-
just 7 years old and he was like a minor. How did you talk to the parents? Ano po yung mga sinabi niyo sa mga parents po ni
mga
Kaloy?
parents naman, they're very agreeable because we're paying for everything. They saw his potential at wala silang, gusto silang pera para to send his son, and they're happy that somebody saw his potential. Like now we are seeing the potential of the other son, Eldrew.
Oo. Yes, oo.
So that's why the family is happy.
Yan. Okay, so fast break po tayo dun sa future na nowadays. I understand na a few weeks back, meron nung sinabi si Pangulong BBM na kukuhanan po niya ng advice or kwento itong si Carlos Yulo regarding what can the government do para mas marami tayong goals na makuha in the near future. Were you part of the audience or were you part of the meeting, Miss Cynthia?
No, it was just a talk. He just had a talk with him. There was no meeting. And Carlo
Okay.
just gave Carlo, because they were sitting down in a dinner and during the Malacanang time, and Carlo just said, "Sir, we need a lot of things. We need good leaders, leaders that care, and we need for NSAs, the National Sports Association. We need
Yun.
good leaders there, and then we need infrastructure, and
Yeah.
we need financing. These are the three things that we really need.
Yun.
Finance. The government should help us.
Opo.
We don't have, but like me, Dennis. You
Opo.
will not believe I was a professional beggar, always begging for money. It was so difficult. Mahina.
Oo nga, pero humihingi ko kayo ng pera, nagbe-beggar po kayo sa mga MVP.
Yeah. Sa mga rich, yes, of course. You have to beg to the rich people, no?
Oo. So may posibilidad, Ma'am Cynthia, na maging 2 Yulo ang maging part ng 2028 LA Olympics, Ma'am Cynthia.
Yes, talaga, 2 Yulo. I will get, Eldrew will be of age now for the
Yeah.
LA Olympics. He can join. So we will have them. I hope he will be qualified. Well, I'm sure he will be qualified. So that's it. So we will have a team. I hope we will have a team.
Yeah, that's good. We have a question here from the newsroom. Ano po ang reason bakit hindi na na-invite sina Alea Finegan at Emma Malabuyo sa welcome ceremony po doon sa Malacanang that happened, Miss Cynthia? Do you know
Because
something
they were
about
not around.
this?
Those two people, they were not here. So why would we invite them? They were still flying. And we did not know about it in the last minute only. We never even knew there was going to be a parade. And then they were not here. Why would we invite them? They better watch it, because if they say things that are not true, they're giving us a hard time. I have my own rules, and I don't like things that are lying. They're lying because they were not in the Philippines. They were still flying. They arrived on the 15th, and late in the 15th.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am,
I'm gonna see them on Sunday,
Okay.
on Saturday.
Okay.
Because they just arrived, and I'm gonna really talk to them. Why are they making, giving difficulty when it's not true?
you'll have a meeting with them next week.
No. On Saturday.
On
This
Saturday, this Saturday. That's tomorrow.
Sorry.
That's
the
tomorrow.
time goes so much.
We understand. Opo.
I've been taking care of Carlos all this time. There have been 101 things to do, and I forget them.
Yeah. Understand. Miss
Nothing.
Cynthia. Okay, Ma'am Cynthia, can you give me bonus questions like going into personal details about the life of Carlos Yulo regarding the when we talk about personal, it has something to do with his problem. Andiyan pa ba si Ma'am Cynthia?
Yes,
Andiyan
I'm
pa?
here, but because my phone is, you're talking in my phone, and my phone keeps on ringing and ringing. People are
Ah,
calling,
opo,
people are
opo. We
texting.
understand, we understand. And
That's why I
with
wanted it in my email, but my
okay.
email was not working.
Yeah, we understand. And we thank you very much for getting this call. I want to talk about Miss Cynthia regarding his family problem, regarding his parents. Meron po ba kayong mga pagkakataon na you are advising Carlos Yulo regarding his dad, regarding his mom?
Yes, there's plenty of things, but you guys don't dig onto it because you do not know the truth. You know, Carlos has gone through a lot, and I'm part of with him on his feelings. So please, let us not put fire and make the fire bigger
But are they
until
okay now
everything.
with the family, Miss Cynthia?
What?
Are they okay now? Are they in speaking
Well,
terms?
No, Carlos has forgiven them. Carlos is has nothing. He's just wondering why at this stage of his winnings, and they will come up with a media saying things against him. Carlos was just wondering, and we were wondering why. Why at that time do they want to come up with things in the past when he won? And Carlos thinks that his mother was hoping that he will lose.
Oh.
That's what Carlos told
Oh.
me, you know.
Oh.
That's not correct, you know. So that's maybe it's not right. And I've been trying to talk to the mother. I've been trying to make her reach out to her son, and I've been talking to Carlos to reach out to his mother. I
Okay.
want them to be talking. I want them to be a family. A family is always a family, you
Yes,
know.
I agree. I agree.
So I am just giving it time, a little bit time. Carlos is in the moon right now. He doesn't know what's happening. You know, it's you don't know the feelings that he's going through, and also the mother is always also going through feelings because she wants to be acknowledged.
Yeah.
But you know, it's just give them time.
Yeah.
Especially the media. The media should give them time. The social media is making it bigger,
Yeah.
and we should not do it that way. I think we should calm down for a while, and in the end, everything will work out. And I promise you, I will try my very, very best to make it work out because for me, family is important.
Yes, that's
You
true.
know.
Family is family. Well, at the end of the day, family is family, Miss Cynthia. Tama?
Yeah, but everybody has his reasons.
True,
If
true.
you, Carlos has his own reasons, you know, and the mother has his own reasons. And if I could talk right now, I would tell you, but I don't want to make the fire bigger. But I
So,
am on Carlos's side.
okay. So
Okay.
one of the advices that you gave to Carlos is, to talk to his family.
No,
Ma'am, did
no. I didn't give. It has to come from him. It has to come from his heart. You
from
know.
Carlos, from Carlos.
But
Yes.
yes, it has to come from Carlos's heart. As soon as he's ready, he'll do it,
Yeah.
and he's already thinking about it. You know. But so we would like the people not. I mean, the family not to come up with things in the media to make it bigger. That's all he wants. He doesn't want. It's. We don't want all these problems that are coming up, even with my gymnasts, those two girls.
Yeah,
I
true.
really want to see them already. They're not here and they want to
How
be
about Ma'am
invited.
Cynthia? Were they invited for the what do you call this? The arrival of the athletes, including Carlos. Were they invited para medyo po masalubong ng pamilya? People are asking why the parents are not there, the mom, the dad was not there. What's the reason po, Miss Cynthia?
I have no idea.
No idea. Opo, opo.
I have no idea. You
Okay. Okay. So and also right now,
know, I
ma'am,
cannot think of those things. You know, I'm just thinking of all these things that he has to do, his schedule, his endorsers. You know, I I never thought of that. I never thought of the invitations.
Okay. So right now you're now the manager po of Carlos, no? Miss Cynthia.
No. I'm not really the manager. I'm the president. He wants me
Manage him.
to see.
Oo.
We have a chat now. We put up a chat with anything with endorsing, anything with contracts.
True.
I'm not a lawyer. Anything that will have a contract, we are giving it to a professional. Anything that is going to be given or interviews passes through me.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
We have a chat. Carlos, me, Chloe, and the manager,
Opo,
the
opo.
professional manager.
How about
So
how about Miss Cynthia the girl, yung pong girlfriend po, Chloe po. How is she?
Chloe,
Opo.
she's very nice. I like her. She's helped Carlos a lot. Carlos will not be with her if he has not felt her help, and I will be the first one to be against her if she was not a help. She helped him be more open to the people. She helped him uh, to be strong in the mind, to be stronger mentally. She helped him a lot because, and that's why Carlos always says, this is our team.
Okay.
Chloe, me, and I always, and the coach, and I always remind him, do not forget God. God is part of our team.
True. That's very true. That's very true.
Yeah.
So, sa Tagalog po, kung tatanungin po ito, so boto po kayo kay Chloe para kay Carlos.
What do you mean? Sabihin
So,
mo na naman.
are you okay with the relationship? I mean, do you think that they are meant to be together or they're good together? Sa Tagalog po, it's boto po kayo sa kanya.
Oo. Kasi sweet na sweet siya. She's very nice. If you get to know her, mabait siya. In fact, she was willing na to give a dinner with the parents, her family, and the family of
Carlos.
Carlos. She was willing to. She was already planning a dinner together to have the families, but then that thing came out. All of those things, media coming out that they're talking, that discouraged her. So they quit it. They said, let's quit it for a while and let's be silent and let's see what happens in the end.
She doesn't like any media attention, you mean, Ma'am Cynthia?
She doesn't want any media attention of the parents against Carlos and against her, or saying
okay.
things that are not right and not true.
So you're saying like Chloe's been constantly reaching out to the family for Carlos's sake, Miss Cynthia.
Yes, she was planning it. She told me of her plan that she was going to have a dinner, and I was very happy to hear it. That's wonderful, Chloe. That's the way you should. You're really good. And then after that, what happened? Mom, after that, all this thing coming out, I canceled the dinner. She canceled it.
Oh, okay. So okay pa ba ho ba yung dinner? Does the plan still there po? Having dinner with the family of Carlos?
No more.
No more na.
I said she canceled it because
Oo.
of all the media
Oo.
coming out. No.
Baka lang baka she wants to pursue it. Hindi na, Miss Cynthia. She canceled it na.
Baka,
Oo.
we'll see in the future.
Yeah, true.
That's
true.
why let's see everything calm down. People not make an issue out of it. It's still an issue. So let's not make this an issue. In fact, a lot of Carlos doesn't want interview when you're going to ask him personal questions like that. He said, Mom, I don't want, please don't put me in this interview because all they're going to do is ask me personal questions and I do not want to answer.
Oh, okay.
So I'm glad it's me. You can ask me. You can torture me.
And thank you for answering the questions, Ma'am Cynthia. Maraming salamat in
Oh,
Tagalog.
sige. So please, as Dennis,
Po.
you are the first one that I talked to about it. So please just advise others just to let the issue die down and not make a big thing out of it. Because in the end, the more you talk about it, the worse the issue becomes. So let's just let it go by so that it will turn out to be the best
Okay.
results.
Thank you
Okay?
very much. Thank you very much for this opportunity and thank you very much for your time, Yusek Cynthia Carion.
Thank you very much, Dennis. Thank you for inviting me too and clarifying the issues.
Thank you very
Thank
much. Maraming salamat,
Thank you.
maraming salamat. President ng Gymnastics Association of the Philippines, Yusek Cynthia Carion. Ronda Pilipinas! Oh, doon sa mga media ha, this is the last time na magsasalita si Ma'am Cynthia dito sa DWIZ. Hindi na magpapa-interview sa inyo. Dito na, last na to. Ha? Okay, dito na yan. Dito na siya magsasalita, ha? Ma'am Cynthia, maraming salamat. Thank you very much from all of us here on DWIZ and Aliw Channel 23. Thank you very much. Okay, tuloy ang mga balita. Ronda Pilipinas! Okay, dun muna tayo sa happy note. Dito muna tayo sa Fiesta. Marhay na aga sa Gabos na taga Legazpi City. Maugmang Ibalong Festival sa Indogabos. Maugma asin na mag-enjoy sa Indong Selebrasyon kan Kapistaan. Yun. Oh, sa mga nahihirapang mag-isip ng ihahanda sa paparating niyong mga celebration, siguradong mabubusog ang inyong mga loved ones at mga